Alright, mate. ASR here. Now, I was actually just looking at the ASR as your message came through. It was on one of my screens. So I do like it in a way. It's interesting. You know, it's already had a lot of down movement. Maybe it might be the outlier that might turn around and flip and turn bullish on this as things are dipping. It's still red here on the 2 week. You know, so it may not be ready to make moves yet. There's 5 days left though. That's the problem. But on a new 2 week, like you can see down here when we created a low, look how this wick came down into the lows. Even look at the new 2 week here. It's still, the new 2 week still came down into the lows. Even this one here, you know, the wick came down into the lows. So what I'm thinking is, you know, a wick is probably going to come down on a new 2 week candle down in here before lifting off. So if you buy this right now, here for example, at some point, you know, price is likely to have some sort of wick back down into this sort of area. So it may be early to be buying into this because there will be a wick back down at some point, if you get what I'm saying. So, but overall, you know, you have to kind of like this rounding out pattern. You know, it obviously has got reminiscence of here, and it might actually, we might not get that dip back down because this might pop up, flip green, and run pretty hard like it did here, for example, and then obviously it did here as well after the pullback, and also here. Look at this one; it's very similar. So, I do like ASR here. You know, it's got a history of, well, this one failed actually. It got one big spike up, right? You only need that one big spike to make money, but you know, it had a rounding pattern here, rounding here, and here, kind of as well. So it's, you know, it's well used to these patterns. Suppose it had one here, but it rolled over. 1% today. What I like about it today is the fact that it had the wick, and today was also a bullish stop on. If you look at this, today had a bullish stop on. I mean, that was your buy. The problem is that, you know, it's already bounced 10 or 5% almost, well, 3% to the current price, which is not that bad. So you could buy it. You actually could buy this right now with a 3% stop. Yeah, below this, because this is your stop on. So I think you can buy this. I think this is a buy right now with a stop below this low.